Welcome to the channel. Today's video, I want to go over something that most of you out there might think is simple. But what is YouTube? YouTube is showing videos how to do things that somebody might not know. Okay? That's what I do anyway. So for most of you out there, you might think this is simple and it's easy to do. Why are you making a video of it? But there might be somebody out there that needs help on this. And I'm sure there is. So today I want to go over how to change out your windshield wipers on your car. Pretty much most cars, most wiper blade replacement is similar to, on every vehicle, let's just say. There's only a couple different types of different mechanisms, but pretty much most of the cars I've ever bought, they're all the same type of way to remove and put on. So today I'm going to be using my wife's old car, my new car, because I don't have a car. I bought her, whatever. But anyway, my wife's 2017 Toyota Highlander. Okay? What you want to do, see, I'll show you. See, I got some starting to deteriorate. That's why I need to replace it, okay? Nice cold day out here. This car has a rear wiper, and it's starting to, see, come apart there. Ooh, Jesus, look at that. Oops, look at that, coming right off. It's time to replace that one. I think this is the original. I've replaced the fronts before, but never the back. But anyway, so the first thing you want to do is just make sure that they're the complete right size, all right? And they are. And then you just bend this up, all right? And all you need to do, there's like right here, there's a little clip. Or you just press, there you go. It says press and release here, and then you should be able to just, sometimes they're a pain to get off. There. Well, that one came right out, but I can't get this out. There. I'm not showing you very well, am I? There we go. Sometimes you just gotta maneuver it and just slide it backwards. All right? So most of them have this little, I don't know what you want to say. They look like this. Just a little hook, J-hook. All right? Most cars are like that. So you just slide your thing back. Now with this new wiper, okay, you just squeeze right here, and this should lift up. Okay? And you slide through, and then hook it on and push forward till it clicks, and then you close that down and pull off your protective cover on your wiper. Be careful wiping your hands on the wiper because they're usually like greasy. Boom. Okay, that one's done. Now the passenger side is usually a little bit harder because it's way up. When you flip it up, it's way up there. I might be able to get it back. Yeah. Just a little bit too hard, so you have to work with it. Kind of like right here. you know. So anyway, I'm just gonna press that. That comes right out of there. All right. Yeah. Oh, pull. Pull and it just slides right out. Okay? If you drop these, do not let go. Just slowly lower it to the windshield or you'll break your windshield. Okay? I take the new one out. Same thing. Push right here. Squeeze right here. Pops up. Okay? Taking that. Sliding it through. And then pull back. Click. And press this down. Click right there. And slide off your protective cover. Boom. There. That one's on. First thing you need to do, let me see. All right. Is on this rear wiper, take your fingers and just separate this, pull, and it should slide up. And then you can lift your wiper up. There. Okay? And then you just need to flip this forward, I think. Let's see. Yep, pop it forward, and it should just come off. Did you hear that click? Okay. Take your new one. All right. Then you should just be able to just slide that forward till it gets in there, and it should just, right? Okay, yep. Slides right in. I don't know if you can see. Right in there. And then just, boom. Rotate it back, and it should stay right there. Okay? Bring it down. And then put that back on. There. New. All right. Now let's get in the car. Turn the car on. Let's hit the wiper. Oh, let me turn the fan down here. Okay, let's see if the wipers work. Oh yeah, nice. Better. That wiper was starting to bother me right there. You know, the passenger side. All right. All right, let's see if the other wiper works. There we go. Nice. Okay. Simple, easy to do. So if any of you out there that don't know how to change your windshield wipers, it's easy. You don't need to take it to a shop and, you know, pay the garage fee for it. It's easy. Just look up what wiper blades you need. Go purchase them. And watch this video. Then you can see how to do it. Easy. Anybody can do it. That's it for this video. And if you haven't already, you know what to do. Hit all those buttons. Hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. Greatly appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up if you think this video was decent. And if you're interested in more videos, you can check out the one up here. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.